Froilan. Today is the review again. Its name is Slime. Look.
Morning, a man woke up to find zombies clawing at his door.
That's a chemical change. So today, guys, we will now put it in the cup, because that's a slime of the cup. How to do it? Okay, just like this.
Unfazed, and walked outside like nothing happened. Planes crashed, cities crumbled, chaos ruled.
Oh wait, I know it. I know
The
it.
undead didn't share.
Just put it
One shoved into
here.
the ground, and soon they piled on and infected. Now a zombie himself.
But it will not sticky, but it's sticky more.
Consumed by rage, he smashed his closet and shattered the glass with his bare fists. His new undead life
So
had just
today,
begun.
guys,
Morning, a man
wait.
woke up to find zombies clawing at his door.
This
But
one.
instead of panicking, he welcomed
Put
them
it
like
in the
old
bowl.
friends. He turned on the TV
And
and
then
saw that a
mini
zombie
mini.
apocalypse had taken over the world.
And
But
then
didn't even flinch.
slime
Even
it.
as one zombie leaned in to bite him, he casually
Now,
started to grab a soda. But
you
then,
can
one
make
of the zombies
it
picked up a
this.
gun and shot him. Shockingly, the man stood back up, unfazed, and walked
This
outside
one.
like nothing happened. Planes
What?
crashed, cities
Oh,
crumbled, chaos ruled,
finally,
but
I
he wanted
didn't
a selfie
hulog
with the
it.
zombie. The undead
So,
didn't share the food. One
hold
shoved
it.
him to the ground, and soon they piled on and infected him.
So
Now,
like
a
this.
zombie himself. He staggered back home.
So if you want it, cook it this just like
And
this.
shattered the glass with his bare fists. His new undead life had just begun. Morning, a man woke up to find zombies clawing at his door. But instead of panicking, he welcomed them in like.
Did you know that in LEGO Marvel Superheroes, when you start a boss fight against a Sentinel, it attacks you immediately if you're playing as a mutant?
Oh
Makes
no,
sense, since those
it's gonna
machines
be
were designed
stick
to hunt down and
again.
eliminate all mutants. But
Don't
the
put it
crazy
in the
detail is that
head.
if you trigger the
Don't
boss
put it
without
in
using
the
a mutant,
nose, because
the
it's
Sentinel just stays
chemical.
passive. If you switch characters
You're not
mid-fight to
allowed
play as
with
a
it.
mutant, it detects them
Don't eat
instantly
it,
and then
okay?
attack.
Don't put it in the head or hair, because it's gonna be sticky. You're gonna be bald. So that's why that's my video. Okay, thank you for 68 subscribers. Thank you for supporting me, and then we love you all. Stay and watch my video now. I will play this slime, and then I'm gonna cook it very fast. Now it's done. Look. So guys, that's my video. Stay violent. We out. Peace.